Hi everybody, my name's Maria with
Kai,
Micah, and we are going to make some of our favorite food, smoked salmon, smoked ribs, we have smoked chicken legs, we have some smoked, it's tenderloin, we're going to try that, and a whole chicken. So today, I'm going to step you through how to start with a whole chicken all the way down to the end, because you don't want to just end in the smoker. But this is how easy it is to smoke. We have our Treager grill, and all you need are these Treager pellets. It comes in a nice bag. They're nice little pellets, and you're going to put them all in there. And it's almost full, so.
I saw deers eat these.
Oh no, that's different. These are smoker pellets. So, and then all you have to do is, let's see, turn it on and turn it to smoke. And it is going to start to smoke. And all I did with these meats is I put Redmond salt on it. Now, we love Redmond salt for a variety of reasons, but mainly because it's an ancient sea salt found not in the ocean right now. And there's a lot of microplastics in oceans. So now you can find Redmond salt in these beautiful caves. It's actually, they look like rose quartz, don't they? Yep. Yeah, they do. So I season the meat very generously. And then I'm gonna open my Treager up. And hopefully you don't have neighbors nearby because they're gonna all wanna come over to have some meat, aren't they? Yeah, it's so delicious. So, this all came from Butcher Box. I didn't even have to go to the store. So we have salmon from Butcher Box. You can start putting it on there, Kai. And we're gonna just like lay all of this on here. And I'm gonna show you the chicken. So I have the chicken, I patted it dry, and then I'm gonna grab my salt and make sure that you liberally season it, because if you don't, just think about the bites you take. Oh.
Can I put this chicken on?
Yep, put it all on there. You know, there's no salt on the inside of the chicken, so you need to make sure that you heavily salt the outside. So salt, 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 salt. Salt is a flavor enhancer, tastes delicious, don't be afraid of your salt. And then I'm gonna put it right on in the center, okay? And all of these items will have different times on the smoker. The smaller the item, the different times, and you can see my chart on my blog, mariamindbodyhealth.com. But we're going to put all of this on here, and then I'm gonna close the smoker, and it'll be a couple hours for the chicken, but believe me, this makes the best chicken salad, leftover chickens. We have some bees around us. It's delicious. You're gonna wanna check out the end of the video for how we finish the chicken. All right, everybody, all of our stuff is done smoking. Yep. The salmon, that only took like 30 minutes. It was done really quickly. Is this one of your favorite snacks?
Yeah.
Smoked salmon, it tastes great. You can pack it with you camping. It's fantastic. And we have our smoked ribs. We have some smoked tenderloin here, some chicken legs, and we're gonna finish the smoked chicken. And Micah, what are you eating?
My mom's peanut butter push-up.
Push pop, huh? So we have our whole smoked chicken here, and it's not done cooking yet. And I'm going to tell you what I like to do is I'm going to use I use coconut vinegar. Yeah. If you have apple cider vinegar, you could use that instead. But I'm going to put about a half a cup. Actually, I'm just going to take this right on open and dump about a half a cup in there. If you think about vinegar, vinegar is barbecue sauce, whether it be like a Carolina, like mustardy sauce, or even I
remember that smell.
You do, yeah, this is like barbecue, right? Yep. So I have about a half a cup in there, and that's kind of what I do with the ribs. If you remember that video, you should check it out. Sorry, bud. And then I'm gonna put this on it just because I don't like hot tin foil touching food. And then I'm gonna wrap it very, very tight with tin foil because I don't want any air seeping out of this. You want it sealed, sealed, sealed. I'm probably gonna have to do another layer here. Okay, and then once I have it sealed real tight, I'm gonna do like a crisscross here. Once I have it sealed really tight, it's gonna go into the oven for about 2 hours. And I know you're like, oh my gosh, this is taking forever, but let me tell you, you could put all of this smoked stuff, into the freezer and worry about that later. But if you want smoked chicken tomorrow or tonight, I'm gonna wrap it real tightly and put this in the oven for 2 hours, and it's gonna be tender, it's gonna be smoky and delicious, and this is gonna be the best smoked chicken you've ever had.